Hey guys, welcome back. We got some visitors with us today. Cat in the bubble. Got Doggo back there getting walked by Alex. He's sticking his head out the hole. Hello. Say hello to everybody. Nice. We're gonna go to the park where the dog and cat can play together. Curious kitty. What's up to you in there, cat? You want to stick your head out again? Bloop. Don't know if I'll have much of a message today. I'll just wait until something decides to be said. But for now, it's just us hanging out. Going for an adventure at the park. There's the caddy. Got to the park. Doggo. Don't put your head up at the top. Nope. Trying to escape. Okay, we'll let you escape over here. Let's go find a good spot to let you play. Dog chasing the ball. Cat watching with me. Meow meow. Okay, here. Pop out the top a bit. Here. Go in. Go in. Up here. Chestnut. Chestnut. There he is. Hey there, buddy. Hey, Chestnut. Oh, hey, you want to come out and hang out with me? Yeah, you feel safer, huh?
I'll get brave one day.
And there's Chloe coming up. All right, I'm gonna throw a ball for Chloe. Chloe, go get it. All right, you're not gonna bring it back, are you? What do you think, Chestnut? You like being outside? There's Chloe. Chloe, Chestnut, the whole family. Nope. Nope.
Oh, my hair looks all ugly.
Chestnut. There you are.
I'm gonna take him to the middle of the field.
All right.
And then I'm gonna run away.
See what Chestnut does in the middle of the field. He doesn't.
That
He's
would be so
scared of
funny
being
if he just, like,
outside.
ran away.
Chestnut.
Come here.
Here he comes. He's so scared he's gotta crouch down real low.
Come here, baby.
It's okay, it's just a big open park.
Good job.
All right. Ready to go get it. Good girl. Chilling in the shade. Chewing on her favorite ball. Hi, Chestnut. Chestnut and Chloe. 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 Hi, girl. Yeah. She's my sweetie. Yeah, she's a good girl. Ain't you a good girl, huh? The curious cat face. Chloe's ready. She wants it. All right, get ready, Chloe. Go get it. Good girl. Yeah. Chestnut. Hey there, little guy. What you doing? Getting used to this park thing, huh?
What's up, animals?
Hey, Chestnut. He's a pretty kitty. Gotta get that elote. Hey, Chloe, what do you think if I take your ball and throw it over by Chestnut? Will you go over by Chestnut and visit him? Let's find out. Yeah, what do you think of this whole thing? Pretty crazy. Just hanging out with the animals, both the pet animals and the elote animal. Hey there. What you got to say? while they're hanging out. Just thought I'd flow around a bit and chat. Looks like the cat's getting a little warmed up to getting out in the public again in the park. We found him originally outside and he was scared to death being outside. Probably somebody else's pet. Tried to find their owner, but never found him. So checked him for chips, never found him. So he became part of the family. And now he's a little afraid to get out. So sometimes we help him feel a little more comfortable, especially with Chloe here. It's interesting. Animals are creatures of their own flow. They definitely don't need to follow the flow of humans. They have different purpose. That cat has been such an energetic wonder for me through anything psychological, spiritual, whatever that I had gone through. Seems like he understands right where I'm at energetically. He hangs out with me. He'll come and purr next to me, reach his arm out and touch me. Or he'll just come visit me and stare at me. What a fun little guy. And then Chloe, of course, she's a sweetie. Take her out a couple times a day to go to this park and have a nice little walk together. And then I come here sometimes on my own just to flow around. Isn't that right? If you think about it, animals are kind of like aliens. They're aliens of another species that's so foreign to us that we don't understand how and why they work the way they do, communicate the way they do, but they have their own way, their own value, their own system. And it's been something cultivated over centuries with humankind. And so we can get along and communicate in a telepathic way. You know, sometimes you don't even have to talk to your dog or your cat and they know what you're thinking or feeling because they're more on the frequency of telepathic natural human connection and natural animal connection. I used to think I wanted some exotic pet. I might still sometime just for fun, but boy, I can appreciate now the value dogs and cats have of the animal kingdom, the way we've cultivated them together, cooperation, coordination, coalition. They're great animals if you help them raise them to be the best they can. Obviously, some people aren't so good to their animals, so they don't end up so great. Cherish your animals, even the human ones, the elote kind. Let's go visit the dog. Swoop. Let's go visit the Alex. Swoop. Good girl. You got some corn on the cob there. Look at you, elote. Time to see which one Chloe prefers. The elote or the ball. Chloe. Food always wins. I agree. All right, time to play fetch with myself. The ball. Unless Chloe ends up getting it, because now she's back in the game. Yep, luring the cat out of the shadows.
You're doing it, come on. So good, baby. Let's go look where you want to look.
Hi, Chestnut. He's all right.
One and the same thing. Now what's so wrong with a little
Cat POV.
competition? Are you afraid of failing the audition? If you're just proving you're the best. Battle, you wanna win. She got scared by the birds. Let's have a battle. Battle of the bands. Let's have a battle. We'll go all in it. Let's have a battle. Battle. Battle of the bands. There we go. That athlete over there.
What's that there, dude?
Hi, Babas.
If we can find the cat and the dog. I already found one.
I poured the juice out, so it's just ice.
Oh, hey there. Nice to visit me. Hi, Chestnut. Meow. Hey there. Just taking the cat out for a walk.
Oh, yeah.
So nice having a world to grow and learn from, and people in it that go through similar experiences. Not the same, but similar earthly experiences. And animals to connect with. I like it. We really want that water, don't you?
I know.
Your snout's just too small. I mean, too big.
Too